We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say correctly interesting words from the Bible. So consider subscribing and make sure to stay tuned. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, this is normally said as Philistine. Philistine. In American English, however, it is usually said as Philistine. Philistine in American English versus Philistine in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. Many biblical names as well. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.